How to install and set up VPN on Android. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can install a VPN on your phone. So first go to Play Store or App Store, and then on the bottom right corner click on search, and then on the top here search for VPN. Now you will see a lot of VPN. So we are going to use Turbo VPN. Just click on Turbo VPN and then click on install. So it's free, you don't have to pay, and it's installed. So now let's click on open. So now click on agree and continue, and then click on close. Now on the top right corner click on the ball icon, and then you will see all of server list. So let's say I am going to use United States server, and then you can choose any of state. Click on OK, and it will be connected. After connected, you can use any site, any browser. So it's connected. After use the VPN, you can close it. Just click on close button and then click on disconnect. Now, and there you go.
Download the app and order now.
So that's how you can install and set up VPN to your phone. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.